All right, now we are doing the incline dumbbell chest press. Now we put the bench at an incline to specifically target the upper chest fibers, specifically known as the clavicular portion of the chest, right? The chest fibers that run and meet to the clavicle. Now a few things, as always, to make sure that you are maximizing chest contraction and preventing injury. Number one, always start with a solid foot base, right? You want to make sure that you have a solid balance and stability when you're performing the movement so that you're not thrown off balance and might injure yourself. Right, so solid foot placement. Number two, you want to make sure that when you come down, your elbows are about 45 degrees away from the midline of your body. This is to prevent injury at the rotator cuff, right? So when you come down, make sure that your elbows are not flared all the way up, putting a lot of stress, again, on that rotator cuff and being prone to injury. Right, number three, you want to make sure they have a slight arc in the back. So when you're performing the movement, have a slight arch in the back to maximize, again, the chest contraction. The last but certainly not least tip is when you come down and then you press the dumbbells up, actually press up at a diagonal angle, meeting the dumbbells together. This is going to, again, maximize the contraction that you get on the chest. So instead of coming down and just pressing straight out, come down and press the dumbbells together at the top of the movement and then return to the starting position and repeat. That is how you effectively do an incline dumbbell chest press.